Hey y'all, and welcome to our channel. If you love transforming spaces into something beautiful and functional, then you're in the right place. Today we're stepping outside the house and into the garden with a goal of creating a modern oasis right in your backyard. Join us on a journey to discover the top 5 landscape design ideas for a modern home garden. We'll be exploring everything from clean lines and calming Zen gardens to vibrant, vertical gardens bursting with life. So grab yourself a glass of sweet tea and let's get started.
Y'all know how passionate I am about creating spaces that are both beautiful and sustainable. It's not just about aesthetics. It's about making a positive impact on our environment. There's just something so satisfying about knowing you're making choices that are good for the planet and for future generations. Every small step we take can lead to significant changes. One of the easiest and most effective ways to create a sustainable landscape is by choosing native plants. These plants have evolved to thrive in our local conditions. These beauties are perfectly adapted to our local climate, meaning they require less water, fertilizer, and overall maintenance. This not only saves resources, but also reduces the time and effort needed to maintain your garden. Plus, they provide essential food and habitat for local pollinators like bees and butterflies. Supporting these creatures is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and healthy ecosystems. And speaking of water, let's talk about rainwater harvesting. This practice can make a huge difference in water conservation. It's a simple and effective way to conserve water and reduce your water bills. By collecting and storing rainwater, you can ensure your garden stays hydrated even during dry spells. Imagine collecting the rainwater that falls on your roof and using it to irrigate your garden. It's a sustainable solution that makes perfect sense. Another sustainable practice I love is composting. It's a fantastic way to recycle organic waste and improve soil health. Remember all those kitchen scraps you usually toss away? Well, they can be transformed into nutrient-rich compost that will enrich your soil and help your plants thrive. It's like giving back to the earth. Some folks might think that sustainable landscaping means sacrificing style, but that couldn't be further from the truth. You can have a garden that's both eco-friendly and stunning. In fact, some of the most beautiful gardens I've ever seen incorporate sustainable practices seamlessly. It's all about thoughtful design and smart choices. Think about it. A lush green lawn that's been nurtured with organic fertilizers, a vibrant butterfly garden filled with native wildflowers, or a cozy patio adorned with potted herbs and vegetables. These elements can create a harmonious and sustainable outdoor space. Sustainable landscaping is not only good for the environment, but it can also save you money in the long run. By reducing resource consumption, you can lower your expenses. So, as you're planning your dream garden, I encourage you to consider incorporating some of these sustainable practices. They can make a big difference. Trust me, your plants, your wallet, and the planet will thank you for it. Embrace the beauty that gives back and enjoy a garden that's as kind to the earth as it is to the eyes.
Now let's talk about creating outdoor living spaces that are as stylish and inviting as our indoor ones. Outdoor living spaces are becoming increasingly popular as people seek to extend their living areas beyond the confines of their homes. Imagine this: a warm summer evening, the stars twinkling above, and you're gathered with loved ones in your cozy outdoor living room. The gentle breeze, the sound of crickets, and the soft glow of string lights create an enchanting atmosphere. When it comes to designing an outdoor living room, it's all about creating a seamless transition from the indoors out. This means choosing elements that complement your interior decor while being durable enough for outdoor use. Think comfortable seating arrangements, ambient lighting, and stylish decor that reflects your personal style. Incorporate cushions and throws to add layers of comfort and warmth. Start by defining the space with an outdoor rug. This helps to anchor the furniture and create a cohesive look. Just like in your living room, a rug can instantly ground the area and create a sense of coziness. Opt for patterns and colors that complement your outdoor furniture. Choose a rug made from durable materials like polypropylene or outdoor sisal that can withstand the elements. Next, let's talk furniture. Instead of your typical patio furniture, consider pieces that wouldn't look out of place inside your home. This approach ensures a more cohesive and stylish look. Think plush outdoor sofas, comfy armchairs, and maybe even a stylish coffee table for resting drinks and snacks. Adding side tables can also be practical for holding books or decorative items. And don't forget about lighting. Proper lighting can transform your outdoor space into a magical retreat. String lights create a magical ambience for evening gatherings, while lanterns and candles add a touch of warmth and romance. Consider using LED candles for safety and longevity. You can even incorporate solar-powered lights for an eco-friendly option. These lights charge during the day and provide a soft glow at night. Finally, consider adding some functional elements to your outdoor living room, like a fire pit for chilly evenings or an outdoor kitchen for al fresco dining. These additions can make your outdoor space more versatile and enjoyable. Creating a stylish outdoor living room is all about blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors, creating a space that's both comfortable and chic. With the right elements, your outdoor living room can become a favorite spot for relaxation and entertainment.
Y'all, if there's one thing I love about modern design, it's the use of clean lines, bold shapes, and eye-catching patterns. These elements bring a fresh and contemporary feel to any space. And when it comes to our gardens, incorporating geometric design elements can add a touch of contemporary flair that's both stylish and timeless. Think about it. The sharp angles of a rectangular planter box, the repeating pattern of pavers in a walkway, or the circular shape of a fire pit. These shapes not only look great, but also serve functional purposes. These geometric elements create a sense of order and structure within the natural landscape, making your garden look well-planned and organized. One of the easiest ways to incorporate geometric design is through hardscaping. Consider using rectangular pavers to create a modern patio or walkway. This not only adds style but also durability to your garden paths. You can even play with different sizes and patterns to create visual interest. Mixing and matching can lead to some truly unique designs. Another way to add geometric flair is through your plant choices. Think about plants with naturally geometric shapes, like succulents with their rosette formations or ferns with their delicate fronds. These plants can add a natural yet structured look to your garden. You can even prune shrubs and hedges into geometric shapes for a touch of formality. This technique can make your garden look more sophisticated and elegant. When it comes to garden beds, think outside the traditional curved lines. Experiment with different shapes to see what works best for your space. Rectangular or square raised beds create a modern aesthetic and offer better ergonomics for planting and maintenance. They make gardening easier and more enjoyable. And don't forget about accessories. Geometric planters, trellises, and even outdoor furniture can all contribute to the overall modern aesthetic. These items can be both functional and decorative. Incorporating geometric design elements into your garden is a fantastic way to add a touch of modern sophistication and visual interest. It makes your garden not just a place to grow plants, but a stylish outdoor living space.
Well, there you have it, folks. 5 inspiring landscape design ideas to transform your outdoor space into a modern oasis. Whether you're drawn to the serenity of a minimalist Zen garden, the lushness of a vertical garden, or the stylish comfort of an outdoor living room, there's an idea here for every style and space. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more inspirational videos on landscaping and home improvement. Happy gardening, y'all!